Hey DIYers, and welcome back to DIY Hookup. Today's Dollar Tree DIY is a super simple Valentine decor. I have these vases from the Dollar Tree, and I also picked up these Valentine themed socks. Thought they'd be super cute for a DIY. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the top part of the sock off, and then we're just gonna place it over the vase. I also have some really cute ribbon, also from the Dollar Tree. This really pretty heart one here. And we're just gonna cover the part that we cut of the sock right at the bottom with the ribbon and some hot glue. I also have these cute table scatters, these little pink hearts. And I'm just gonna go ahead and glue a few right onto the top edge right here. You could go all the way around, which was what I initially planned, but then I just decided to put these three like this. So I did the same thing on the taller jar. And with the smaller one, I'm just gonna go ahead and place the heart scatters into the vase and layer them by color. I have that lighter pink, and then I have some red ones, and also some more pink ones on top. It's a little different color from the first pink ones I put in there. So I have this sweetheart candy from the Dollar Tree, and we're just gonna go ahead and place some of that candy right into the tall and shorter vase like so. And that's the reason I had the socks kind of lifted up from the bottom so that you can see the little hearts coming through the vase through the bottom. So there's the ribbon that I'm gonna go ahead and place on there. And then I have these tea light candles that I found on clearance Christmas. They change colors, and I'm just gonna add them inside the vase. And there you go. Super simple, easy Dollar Tree Valentine decor idea. I hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine decor idea. If you did, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. Share the video with your friends. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you really soon in the next DIY.